behind you.
You just get comfy and you want to be in the middle.
And then I'm in the middle now.
Okay.
Do I look like I'm in the middle?
Yeah. And then you just go like this.
Okay, take a picture quick.
While she's still on top.
I got the video.
How come it's wiggling?
Because you're moving.
Yeah, you'll get used to it.
I got the video camera. So
Okay.
dip your oars in.
There you go.
Dip your oars deeper.
Okay, wait a minute.
You're doing good.
Oh, shit. I'm turning the corner though.
Okay, you use the paddle to the right side. There you go.
Oh, yeah, right.
Yeah, you'll go on each side of you.
Stop. You like this. This is how you go backwards or stop.
Now look at me, Glenda. Jeez. No, seriously, look at me.
I don't think she can.
What did you say?
I don't think you can look this way, can you?
He said, what did he say?
She
I don't think you can look that way.
Yeah, every time she'd look, she'd start tilting.
All right, both of y'all smile. Yes.
I want to really look like I'm doing it.
You can
Okay.
swim, right?
Well, you are really
Okay,
doing
huh?
it.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Now just each side.
Well, I just want to make sure because
There you go. You get good. You'll get the hang of it. Now go each. There you go. There you go, Glenda. You got it.
You're getting it.
You're getting it. You're good.
Don't look back. Don't look down or sideways.
Have you ever tried it?
Giving her detailed
I don't think we haven't seen hardly any boats out here. Everybody's doing Easter.
Is it okay for the big deal?
Yeah.
Hey, your mama. Well, we're taking the camera off of them and going to mama.
Oh, you still got the camera?
Yeah.
You thought about how you're going to get Linda out?
I know.
They're in there. I have to
Think you're
get
better
out.
off just tip her over and let her climb out, right?
Have her climb off.
Ah, she heard that.
You didn't hear anything. Hey, look, it's